all, I'm coming from like hardcore corporate world, so I don't have any startup experience. So I don't think I'm even eligible to stand here to, amongst you, you've all had so many inspiring stories. So I brought my daughter here. Mainly, she's only 16 years old. She's in school. So I brought her here because she's in her school holidays. And I just wanted her to hear the startup stories and what are the problems the startup world is trying to solve. So just, tomorrow உட்கார்ந்து டிவி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காம just, come and see all this. So yeah, so I am from Siemens, Gamesa. So I actually basically an electrical engineer from Gindi College of Engineering. I think I have my junior who's an entrepreneur. I'm a regular customer also for my harvest, and also for Akshay Kalpa. I studied solar, and I've been working in semiconductors and solar. Now in solar and wind for almost from 2008 I've been working. So yeah, I'm from the corporate world, but also I'm also part of the solution that we are all trying to save our world from all these carbon emissions. So I hope we'll meet some. Yes, Sun Edison was a startup, so I don't know how many of you know Sun Edison. Sun Edison was one of the first developer, I would say, in India for solar and pioneers. And I was employee number 2 for Sun Edison. I was with the company for the entire lifetime in India. So it was a great experience working for Sun Edison. Yeah, learned so much from the company.